fucking fast, bro. Oh my fucking god. Mate, double trouble here today.
Yeah, mate.
Going to Ripon through the city. We don't know where we're going, but it's alright. Yeah.
I got friends, you got friends.
Hey, in the fucking race car. No mats in it, bro.
So much room here. Oh, this car's got no cat too, by the way, so...
Oh, bro. So we can pop?
Smell it. Oh, yeah. Well, like, this thing can shoot, like, 3-meter flames.
Oh my fucking god, bro. That shit's fucking crazy. Bro, you're legit living the GTA fucking life, bro. Went to your garage, got yourself a new car.
Yeah.
You rode there.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, he's loving it. He's like, give us another. Hi. Having a good night? Having a good night? Seem very depressed, you know. You only live once, you know.
Oh.
Live it up to your fullest, man. Oh my fucking
I'm just gonna report this car big time.
fucking hell. Shit's quick.
You need to pay for the fuel first, please.
Alright.
Fucking hell, this is fucking fast, bro.
What the fuck?
Yeah, same.
Speed camera up here.
Oh yeah, it just goes through a red light.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Yarra Boulevard.
Yeah, bro.
Wow.
Put your
Put his
fucking
high
high beams
beams
on,
on.
bro. Oh, bro, I know where we are. Yeah, here we go. On, sit, floor it.
Ah, it's a big fucking...
Go. God damn!
The brakes in this is so bad. Now we have to go back faster. Brakes in this is so shit, but that's the big problem.
Oh, bro, that's a hippie right there. In the tour gear, shit's mental, bro. Bro, I'll chop this shit. Don't worry, I'll chop this, bro.
What?
I'll chop it, bro. Slow as fuck. Oh my fucking god. thing? What the fuck is this even called?
This is an exhaust hanger.
What, cat hanger though?
Yeah, it was welded to the cat, like literally to the cat.
Chap laps now. Bro, we're gonna make it! You see with the camera.
Are you turning it
Save
off?
my spot. We're gonna do a lap.
Alright.
I want to hear the decat.
It is louder. Why is it not popping?
No, it does. It pops like crazy.
It's probably fucking louder now.
It is, bro. It sounds good.
You got the kid walking out. Oh my god. She just drives slow to fuck up his clip.
Yeah, literally.
Wait, what the?
Shorts.
It's funny because
Wait, what the fuck? The one that was behind this car. Did you just search up random junk?
Nah, have you seen that photo? You've seen that multiple times before. The one smoking out of the Coke can.
No.
You ever seen that? That was us in Caleb's cubby house.